In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage views in Airtable. Start by opening the base that contains the views you want to manage. Remember that views live inside each table, so once your base is open, make sure you're on the correct table where you plan to work. Each table has its own collection of views tailored to the same underlying records. Look to the left sidebar for the Views panel. This list is your command center. It shows every saved way of looking at your table. You can quickly see which view is active, and you'll use this panel to create, organize, and switch between layouts. To create a new view, click Create New, then pick the type that matches your workflow. Choose Grid for a spreadsheet-like layout, Calendar to place records by date fields, Kanban for pipeline-style stages, Gallery for card-based visuals, or Timeline to map records across a span of time. Your choice doesn't change your data, just how you see and interact with it. If a view's name isn't clear, rename it using the drop-down arrow next to the view's title and select Rename View. Use names that reflect purpose, like Leads This Week or Content Calendar Q3, so teammates know exactly what they're opening. When you want a head start, duplicate a view from the same menu. Duplicate View creates a copy with all the same filters, sorts, groups, and hidden fields. It's perfect for making small variations without rebuilding everything. Next, fine-tune the view. Use the toolbar to filter records so you only see what matters, sort to control the order, and group to cluster related items into collapsible sections. Hide fields that aren't relevant to keep things clean. You can also adjust colors to quickly spot statuses or priorities. These settings only affect the current view, not your underlying data. Keep your sidebar tidy by dragging and dropping views into an order that matches your routine. Put daily go-tos at the top and archive-style views further down. A little organization here saves a lot of clicks later. If a view has outlived its usefulness, open the View menu and choose Delete View. This removes only the view, not your records or fields. If you don't have permission, check with your base owner before proceeding. To share a view externally, click Share and Sync. Then choose Create Link to View. This creates a shareable link, typically read only, so others can see exactly what you see without editing your base. Finally, switching between views is instant. Just click any view in the sidebar to change layouts and keep your work flowing. Thanks for watching.